Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. It's Rubidoux Creek Outdoors. Hey, today we're going to work on this is a 2-pound Woodings Verona, however you want to pronounce it. It's spelled Verona, so Verona. Sounds right. It's a Woodings. It's an old school hammer. Made in the USA, as far as I know, and I think they've been making a lot of tools and stuff back a long time ago. But we're going to clean this hammer up. Like I said, this is a 2-pound hammer. So cheap. I bought this thing like a long time ago on Harbor Freight. So I don't even think they carry this part anymore. But it's ATE Pro USA, but it says made in China. So, but it seems to do okay. It's just 3 pounds. Sometimes I like, if I'm hammering out on a knife or whatever I'm working on, if it's a little bit of blacksmithing or something, 3 pound, I mean, of course, is going to move a little more metal because you get more kinetic energy on it. However, that kinetic energy kind of wears out on this. So there is a difference hammering with 3 pound to a 2 pound. So a lot of times I'll start off with that, and then I've got another hammer that's close to 2 pounds, but it's not really a forging hammer. It's just sometimes you got to keep on going, and I don't want to stop, so I drop down to it. Just like lifting weights, I guess. You start off heavy and then work your way down light, or some people work light and go back up to heavy. However, whatever floats your boat. I just know it was a good deal on this hammer. I got it for like $5 at the, it was like $5 or $6 at that big flea market. And I was like, boom, picked it up. I knew it wasn't a China-made one, so I grabbed it. But we're going to clean it up and smooth the handle out a little bit. It's got a lot of the old laminates coming off of the wood handle. And I'm not 100% sure that this is the original hammer with it, but whoever did it, it's nice and tight. There's no wobble in it, so hey, can't complain too much. But I'm just going to clean it up some because I want to. So y'all hold on. Hey folks, hopefully you liked the video. I've been wanting to do this for a couple days now. Some spots on the handle got a little more brown, and I kind of really didn't want it to, but it'll wear off as time goes by. But I think it's just because how, the wood could have been damp on certain parts of the handle. It could have affected it or whatever. Either way, it ain't gonna win a beauty contest, but I think it turned out really nice. It looks a lot better than it did. Just my, it's my opinion. Y'all feel free to drop a comment section. I ain't trying to make it look like chrome. We're gonna spend all evening on this, on this hammer. But yeah, feels good. It's a little smoother than it was, and that's what I wanted to do. I'm trying to get that whatever that laminate finish that they put on the handle. It was all coming apart. I wanted to get down to the wood, and that's what I did. And I've always heard if you do a little bit of burn finish on it, it's supposed to make the wood last longer. I don't know. That's very subjective, I guess, but it looks kind of cool. And I went with it. I didn't want to put varnish on it. And then I put some Rubidoux Creek Outdoor 3-in-1 Creek Wax on it to put some more, moisture and oils back into the handle. And I may go back and put some more in there later because it's soaking it up, but I ain't got to get crazy with it. And then I put a coat on top of the hammer, and it's still on there. I just kind of got the excess off, right? Let it set because metal's porous, and it's still warm too, which was really key. It really works really well that way. It's still warm from all the buffing and stuff on it. It's not like hot or nothing, but it's just warm. And it worked real good on putting that wax on there because the pores of that metal opens up a little bit and soaks in there. And then, like I said, I got the excess off and got some of the excess off the handles. Like I said, I may go back later, but yeah, I want to do that to the hammer. It's a good looking hammer, and putting that oil on it will help, keep flash rust off of it. And yeah, and even if it does get on there, it's not a deal breaker. We can always go back over it with some Neverdull. Neverdull will get some of that flash rust off. So, but either way, tell me what you think. I've been wanting to do that, and I think it looks pretty cool. I really do. So, but hey, if you want to get your 3-in-1 Creek Wax right here, you can just go to our Whatnot. Like I said, it'll be up here, like so. And like I said, it's made in the USA. And hey, if you go to Whatnot and it's on vacation mode, it's for a reason. So feel free. Like I said, just hold tight. Once I get situated, I've got a lot going on in the next week or so. And but yeah, y'all tell me what you think. But like I said, don't forget to get the 3-in-1 Creek Wax. And hey, I'll try to get it to you as soon as I can. But hey, y'all take care. Oh, like I always say, especially Kojak, he always reminds me, stay positive, stay motivated, stay vigilant in this crazy world, and I'll see y'all next time, all right? Y'all take care.